Hi, my name is Mohammed Mansoor. I am MCSA, MCSC, and I am VCEA and VMware Certified Professional. One of my friend who has completed his diploma program through NetSoft, and he got a good job in IBM. He is currently working with IBM. He referred me to join NetSoft to enhance my IT skills. All the courses I have taken so far from NetSoft are excellent, and I grade them 10 out of 10. The quality of instructors, the quality of NetSoft trainers with their training abilities, I would rate excellent. I haven't been to any other IT institute so far other than NetSoft, but many of my friends who instead of joining NetSoft has taken courses from Trios and Sheridan, and when they look at my notes and my home funds and all the assignments given by NetSoft, they said they're not even close to what I get from NetSoft. So I believe NetSoft is number one. I personally has not been to, like I said, any other college in Toronto, so I do not know how the other instructions in other colleges are. But as far as NetSoft is concerned, all the instructors have immense knowledge in the subject, and they are highly trained, and they guide you through the course as per your need, and all your questions, all your home funds, whenever required, will be answered thoroughly. The instructors at NetSoft give you home fun assignments off the books or off the reading material or the material of the course by doing some home funs which are designed, which are not in the course. And what happens in the real world is designed as a scenario, and that's how you do your home funds. And while doing the home funds, if you have any issues or any problems completing the home fund or not able to do the assignment, the follow-up is very good, and you get all the help and support from the instructors to complete the home fund assignments. The pros of NetSoft were you get to meet new people, you make new friends, and there is a very nice atmosphere in the institute, especially when you're sitting together. If you have any doubts, you can ask to your colleagues or you can ask to the instructor, and they will explain you. They will try to help you as much as they can, and they will try to pull you out of any question you have and try to resolve the problem or to answer the question. The best part of NetSoft is you won't just be let go unless you get resolved whatever issues you have in it. And the cons of NetSoft are some of the courses are very lengthy, very time consuming, and you have to spend about 12 to 14 hours in class to complete your assignments or to understand what's happening, to finish up the scenarios given to you in the class. Then there will be a home fun given to you. Then you go home, you try to do the home fun assignments. There's a lot of time in it. You have to put a lot of time to do and to finish one assignment. Sometimes it takes about 24 to 30 hours to finish one home fun assignment. So there are pros and there are cons, but the bottom line is it's a good experience. We were a batch of 11, and out of 11, 7 got their dream jobs, I would say dream jobs, and the rest are still looking for the jobs. For some reason, they have their own personal issues. They were not ready to apply for another job while they were doing the current job. So out of 11, 7 got IT jobs, and they're all happy. Yeah, while the process was going on, completing the diploma, they already got the job. So I think it's a good achievement and a good job on part of NetSoft and the trainers. Time spent on courses and assignment depends from course to course. Like if you are doing a course which is say for 410, you don't spend much time on home fun assignments compared to Citrix. When you do Citrix, you spend a lot of times, but overall I would say home fun assignments and the class time, it's about say 40 hours in a week. In terms of resume preparation and job interviews, there is a course called Hire Me, which gives you an immense knowledge of how to prepare for an interview, how to write a resume, what questions to be answered, what not to be answered, and which questions to be handled which way, if it's a technical question, if it's an HR question. There's a lot you will learn in Hire Me course, which is a wonderful course, and I don't think there is any other college or any other institute which offers you exclusive Hire Me course other than NetSoft. How to deal with people and how to deal with the stress while you're on site or at job, and how to tackle any IT issues if you do not know, and how to go where to find the answers for the questions, and on top of all, how to deal with the stress while at work, and how to present yourself when you face an interview, and how to upgrade yourself in IT industry, and how to keep up yourself up to the mark. Favorite course so far for me was 412 and Citrix, because I enjoyed doing Citrix. It was the lengthiest course for me in terms of putting my hours in the course by doing assignments and home fun assignments. I enjoyed doing Citrix here, and 412 was another course which I enjoyed a lot, learning about all sort of things which are in 412. I would recommend NetSoft because I have been in the institute for over a year now, and so I know a little bit about NetSoft, that how the instructors are, how their training material is, how they handle the students, especially the classes, the environment, the people, the staff, and the instructors. They are very friendly, and they go along with you, and they try, no matter what happens, they won't let you behind, and they try to pull you out and get you a job in IT industry. I have a message for people who would like to join NetSoft. NetSoft is a great institute if you're planning to change your career or upgrade your skills or enhance your any tool in IT industry. NetSoft is the best place to join, and if you work hard and if you follow the instructions, do your home fun assignments, and try to work hard, show some extra efforts while doing what you're doing at NetSoft, you will be in one of the top contenders in the market for securing an IT job or upgrading your skills or whatever your goals and plans are. NetSoft Academy is one of the best and the leading, I believe.